Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina in case you don't know me, and today we're going to do brow lamination. The first time I did this, I got compliments from people all the time telling me how beautiful my eyebrows were even when I had nothing on them. So by the end of this video, hopefully you will have great eyebrows too. And the best thing about it is that it's for free. Well, technically for free. You do have to buy the products the first time, but you can get a lot of uses out of it and it's less expensive than going into a salon. Of course, if you don't feel comfortable doing this at home, then don't. Be very careful with your eyes and go to a salon. But this is just an easy way to do it at home. If you want to know how I did this, then keep on watching. So this is the product that I use to do my brow lamination. I also use it as a lash lift as well. I do have it on my lashes and my eyebrows in this moment. I don't know if you can tell that far, but I don't have anything on my eyebrows apart from the pencil. So I did fill them in, but I don't have any brow gel, I don't have any soap or anything to keep my eyebrows looking just perfect and brushed. That is what I love this so much, and it is pretty easy to do. I'm going to walk you step by step onto everything that you need to do. The first step is going to be cleaning the area. So you're going to take the cleanser. You want to make sure that you don't have any makeup, skincare, oils, sweat, anything like that. Just make sure that before you put anything in your skin, read the ingredients. Make sure that you're not allergic to anything. If you can, do a test patch to see if you're going to react to it. The second step is the lash glue. To give the shape that you want and make it stay that way. You want to start in the middle and make sure that you finish each area before moving to the second one, because when the lash glue dries, there's nothing else you can do. But if you do mess up and if it dries and it's not in the shape that you want, instead of brushing and hurting yourself, you can use the cleanser again to remove the lash glue and start all over again. And I found that that was a lot better, because the first time I did it, I scratched myself and it did get irritated after putting the solutions in the skin. Don't worry about putting glue in the hairs of your brows, because this is not even going to be there by the end of this. Now that you have the shape that you want and that the glue is dry, you want to start applying this first number one solution that's named Perm. You're going to apply this with a cotton tip. You just want to cover every hair. You don't need to apply a lot of product, but you do want to cover everything. Once you apply it, just cover each eyebrow with a little bit of cling wrap and wait for 10 minutes. I wouldn't suggest to leave it more than 10 minutes unless you have very thick eyebrows. But in that case, I would still leave it for 10 minutes the first time and see how your skin reacts, see how your eyebrows react, because it may be enough, you never know. And if you need extra minutes, then you know for the next time, but I do think that it's better to be safe than sorry. After the 10 minutes pass, remove the cling wrap and you're going to use one of these things to remove the excess product of the skin. Look, I did it with this. I always try to do it with this. I feel this is a little bit too harsh on my skin, so I always end up removing it with one spoolie or even with a cotton tip, even my finger. But in the end, I always pass the spoolie just to give it back the shape that I want. And you don't need to remove everything. You don't need to wipe it clean. You want to just remove the excess, because now we're going with the second solution. This is number 2 fixation. In my kit is the blue solution, the one that is a little bit blue. And you're going to do the same thing. You apply it on top of your eyebrows, you don't need a lot. And then you put the cling wrap on top. I always fold the area where the first solution is in the plastic, just so they don't mix, just in case. And leave it on for 10 more minutes. After that is done, you can remove the cling wrap and clean everything. I suggest that you clean everything with a cotton round and then wash your face. Definitely go wash it with water and your face wash. Remove everything. You don't want any excess of anything lying around your eyes that you don't know of, and by then you're done. It's going to feel a little bit weird at the start just because your hairs are going to be very straight and kind of flat to your face, so you do need to brush them, but you don't need to apply anything so they stay. I hope that makes sense. So every day you want to just take a spoolie, brush them, and they will stay wherever you put them with the first solution. This kit also includes a number 3 solution, which is nutrition. I don't really use it. I prefer to use my own oils and skincare for that. I'm going to give you a tip, and is that when you're brushing your hairs, don't leave them all up. You want to brush to the side the tips because you don't want to end up like a clown with just straight hairs. You want the shape to be perfect. If you want, you can just put them straight and cut them. I don't like to cut my eyebrows, so what I do is I just brush them upwards and then a little bit like diagonal, and then with the tip of the spoolie I will just put the ends down. But you need to do that when you're perming your eyebrows, because otherwise it's going to be just straight and you're not going to be able to do that unless you put product. And the whole idea of this is that you don't have to put anything. But anyway, that is all. I hope you like it. If you try it, please let me know how it goes in the comments. I know some people have tried these kind of products for their eyelashes and they tell me that they basically burn their eyelashes, like when the hair burns. I do think that that is because they left it for too long for their hair. That's why I wouldn't suggest going over the 10 minutes, which is the minimum, or because they didn't clean it properly and they thought they had taken it off and they haven't. So the product stayed there for too long. I haven't had any issues doing this. Of course, you're going to see a little bit of hairs falling. That's normal. That's because you're brushing it. It's just that you're very aware of it. But here is the video showing you how to do it. It's up to you if you want to try it. Don't forget that the link is in the description and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Besos, bye!